What's going on, guys? Welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video we are going to be reviewing the slimmest mechanical keyboard that I have ever laid my hands on. Introducing to you the Tecware Phantom L. Okay, so this mechanical keyboard comes in three variants, guys. The switches are autonomous switches, by the way. So we have the blue switches, which are the clicky kind, the brown switch, which are tactile, and the red, which are linear. Okay, so today's version, the keyboard that we have here is the red switches. Okay, and if you don't like the specific variant that you have chosen or that you have bought, you can still replace the switches, as this keyboard has hot swappable switches. Okay, you can still go to any website like Shopee or Lazada in my country, or if you search on Amazon Tecware keyboard switches, Phantom L switches, you can get a few packs. Okay, so yeah, you can basically just hot swap them pretty easily. Okay, so this keycaps also has reduced height compared to the other keyboards. That gives a big edge for this keyboard, as the actuation force and the travel distance is very low, and it's also great for fast typers and competitive gamers, guys. So you can see the keyboard is 10 kilos, and it's really very light, guys. It only comes in at about 589 grams, which makes this keyboard perfect for traveling anywhere. Okay, the cable that is provided is a USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable. It's a braided 1.8 meter cable. This keyboard has a detachable cable. Whenever the keyboard's not in use, when you keep it on your desk, you can detach the cable, and it will give a cleaner appearance to your setup, overall setup. Okay guys, now coming into the lighting side of things, this keyboard has 18 lighting effects, okay, and 16.8 million color lighting. Okay, so even though the effects are pretty cool and all, which you will see in a while, I have prepared a video for you guys, the brightness of the lights are quite dim compared to other keyboard like the Fulen SM680R, which I've reviewed a couple years ago. You can click on the link above if you want to see that. The lighting effects can be controlled via the keyboard and also the software. The software can be downloaded from the official Tecware website. In the software, you'll be able to customize each individual key's lighting and also set macros for every one of them. Okay, so I'm not going to go in depth on how to use the software and all, because this is only a review video. But upon request, there'll be a tutorial video. Just let me know in the comments below, guys. Okay guys, so now let's go into the video where I show you all the lighting effects and also the overall UI of the software. Okay guys, and we are back. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and lastly I would like to talk about the contents which you get in the box. Okay, we have the keyboard itself, we have a USB-C to USB-A cable, the 1.8 meter cable. We have 4 spare mechanical switches, basically what kind you choose. So since I chose the red mechanical switch, I have 4 spare. If one is faulty, I can just swap it out. We also get a switch puller and a keycap puller. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you want more videos like this, do let me know in the comments below, and yeah, please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.